Australia, a land of vast coastlines and endless horizons, has a deep and abiding relationship with the sea. It's a place where the rhythm of life is often set by the tides, and the heart of its culture beats to the sound of crashing waves. At the core of this maritime identity is Australia's vibrant and iconic surfing culture. Welcome back to Loop and Go, your journey into the world of curiosity. Surfing found its way to Australian shores in the early 20th century, with Duke Kahanamoku, an Olympic swimmer and legendary surfer, introducing the sport to Sydney's freshwater beach in 1915. From these modest beginnings, surfing rapidly grew into a way of life for many Australians. Bondi Beach in Sydney and Bells Beach in Victoria soon became meccas for surfers seeking the perfect wave. The sport's popularity skyrocketed in the 1950s and 60s when a new generation of Australians embraced the surfboard. Surfing was no longer just a pastime, it had become an integral part of the Australian way of life. Australia's surfing culture is characterized by more than just riding waves. It's a unique blend of sun, sea, and camaraderie. Surfing contests like the Rip Curl Pro and the Quicksilver Pro have become iconic events, attracting the world's best surfers and passionate spectators from around the globe. These contests showcase Australia's breathtaking coastline and the world-class waves that make it a surfing paradise. But it's not just about competition, it's about community. Surfing has a profound social aspect in Australia. Beaches serve as meeting places where surfers of all ages share stories, wisdom, and enthusiasm for the sport. Surf clubs, an integral part of coastal communities, foster a sense of belonging and provide vital life-saving services. Australian surf culture isn't limited to the pros, it extends to grommets that are young surfers, catching their first waves and seasoned riders chasing endless summer swells. It's about the pure joy of catching a wave and the thrill of being in harmony with the ocean's rhythm. Surfing has also influenced Australian art, music, and fashion. The iconic 60s surf rock sound of bands like the Atlantics and the Beach Boys resonated with surfers, becoming anthems for a generation. Australian surfwear brands like Rip Curl, Billabong, and Quicksilver have made their mark on global fashion, embodying the laid-back, sun-soaked style synonymous with surf culture. Today, Australia's surfing culture remains as vibrant as ever. Surfers continue to flock to its shores from all corners of the world, seeking the perfect break and the genuine camaraderie that comes with the territory. It's a culture deeply woven into the Australian way of life, where the pursuit of the perfect wave is a quest that transcends age, background, and borders. We hope you enjoyed this exploration with Loop and Go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future curious adventures.